Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses model BB0095s in color code 001. The color of the frame is black, and these glasses are an oval shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved in the lens. The temples are gold and black, and you'll find the Balenciaga BB in gold on the temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protection. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Balenciaga case, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet this manufacturer is carrying, and a Balenciaga cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.